Hello everyone, today we're filming a really stupid video. It's basically the cucumber challenge that we've just invented, where all three of us are going to consume a live cucumber, all at the same time, a large cucumber, all at the same time. We're going to see who can finish their cucumber first, and the one who finishes their cucumber first will be crowned champion, and the crown is going to be made out of cucumbers.
Cucumber. Cucumber.
So, if you girls are ready. Yeah, we made sure that they were pretty much the same. I'd say mine's the thickest. I'm going to put that out there. But we'll just see. We've done this challenge before and filmed it. It wasn't very good, and I think I won.
Yeah, you did.
So
I haven't done this challenge, so I'm excited and scared at the same time.
they're freshly washed.
George won is a pretty clear win.
Okay.
Thing is, I take it quite seriously, whereas these two are just having a laugh. So
Cucumber.
right, let's do a cheers, and then I'll say on your marks, get set, go. So cheers.
Cheers.
Well, I think I've got hair in mine.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bottoms up.
Very nice. On your
I'm
mark.
scared. What was scared to eat you?
To be fair, it's going to be extremely hydrated.
Okay.
Very hydrated.
Kidney cleanser, great hydrator.
We're going to go in. Wait. On your marks. Get set. Go.
More pretty equal. That's a great.
Oh no. Go. I feel like I'm losing the battle, but I haven't lost the war.
That's the carrot run.
It's so close. Oh
Woo! Prove it. Oh.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
my god.
I can't believe I
I
won
know.
that.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I was so determined to win, I did it.
Well done.
You made the grave mistake of biting off more than you can chew.
It's the moral of the story, guys. Slow but steady wins the
I'll
race.
tell you what did actually. Oh
It was horrible.
Whoa.
God, I really went for that.
I'm going.
Enjoy it.
I'm just going to enjoy it now.
Um,
Do
You
it
won
at my own
second.
pace.
Oh, you know, you're third. I was going to say you won second, but.
I'm happy with third.
What did it was when I shoved it in my mouth. Because as I pushed it into my mouth.
Oh.
Cucumber burn. I shoved it in my mouth, and then suddenly I realised that it was in such a position where I couldn't physically chew it.
Yeah, because like in the roof of your mouth, it was like stuck.
And when I bit, it's like, you know if you put, if you fill up a glass with stones, and it's like, what else can you put in here? And you put in water, and it fills up the cracks. And it's like, oh, okay, so you can put more stuff in there.
No, the trick is, right, you have to
Which, I wasn't finished with my story.
continue.
So what happened was I put it all in my mouth, and and then there was no space left, and then I crunched, and all the water came out and filled up my cheeks. So I was like,
For next time,
yeah.
take a tip
Tips
from
from
the
the
master.
master, yeah.
You have to-
Who won by
you
5
have to
seconds more than me?
Bite, chew, and then suck in the water, and then swallow the water, and then you can chew the remaining in a quicker time.
Okay. My mouth is really sore.
I came in with low expectations for myself and left with the same kind of feeling of defeat. So it's all good, but I can only get better.
It's the taking pot that counts.
Exactly.
They're extremely chewy, and
Okay,
they're more dense than you think. But I feel very hydrated now.
Was it organic?
No.
How dare you?
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed us eating those big cucumbers.
Give it a go yourself.
Well done.
You won't regret it.
Try this at home.
Yeah.
It's hydrating, it's fun.
It's great.
Vitamins, minerals, very high number. Silica, hair and nails get longer. Other vitamins make your bones them stronger. Anti-wrinkle make you look younger. 95% water. Kidney cleanser, great hydrator.